Hello viewers, welcome back to Gowri's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make green gram sabzi. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's see how to make it. Keep a kadai and add 2 tablespoons oil to it. When the oil is hot, let's add the spices. Take half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cardamom, half green chili, 1 piece of sage patta, 2 cloves and 1 small piece of seaweed. Let's add this to the oil. Next we are going to add ginger garlic paste. I have ground it along with the green chilies. Let's add them now. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next we are going to add 1 cup chopped onion. Fry it well until it turns to golden brown color. Now let's add green gram. I have soaked them for overnight. Fry the green grams well so that the raw smell of moong dal goes off. Now let's take chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder in this bowl. I have cooked half of teaspoon in this bowl. Next I am going to add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon jeera powder. Now let's mix all these ingredients together. Now let's add the masala paste to this moong dal. Mix it well. Mix them well and let's add 1 cup of water to it and keep it in medium flame for 10 minutes.